Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enter petrol pump accounts transaction in Tally Prime. Okay, so regarding this, today we will discuss. In our country, there are three major petrol supply companies are there, that is Indian Oil Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Limited, Bharat Petroleum Limited. Okay friends, so regarding this today we will discuss. Note down these notes for your reference. Okay, so in petrol bunk purchase, so they are going to purchase petrol, diesel and lubricants oil. In sales, cash sales, credit sales, card sales, etc. Okay. So petrol and diesel is not applicable for GST. These two won't come under GST slab rate. But lubricant oil, it comes under GST. GST is applicable for lubricant oils. Okay. So petrol price. So basic price is 30 rupees 97 paise. Excise duty 35 rupees 24 paise. State VAT 19 rupees. Dealer commission 4 rupees. Total 89 rupees 21 paise. In diesel, basic price 35 rupees, excise duty 26 rupees 48 paise, state VAT 17 rupees 12 paise, dealer commission 2 rupees 50 paise, total price 81 rupees 10 paise. So this is our state petrol and diesel price, current price. So lubricant, this is comes under GST at 18%. Okay friends, now we move to Gateway of Tally and create necessary ledger account for petrol pump accounts. Okay, so I prepared one list for ledgers, stock items, location, etc. Please note down this. So creation of ledgers, stock items and locations. So purchase account, purchase at 18%, CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%, sales account, sales at 18%. What is this purchase at 18%, sales at 18%? This is for GST. So lubricant oil is there, that comes under GST. That's why these two ledger for that. So Hindustan Petroleum Limited, that is supplier account. See, Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, credit card, debit card. These are all comes under the group bank account. When you are going to create these Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, credit card, debit card, created under the group bank account. Stock items, petrol, diesel and lubricant oils. Location, tank 1, tank 2, tank 3 and office godown. So expenses ledger, courier charges, rent, salary, electricity charges, puja expenses, housekeeping service charges, housekeeping material charges and security service charges, security guard service charges. Okay, so these are the necessary ledger accounts for petrol pump accounts. Okay, go to Gateway of Tally, create one by one. Select ledger, purchase account. Purchase account. Under purchase account, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? No, no, accept it. Purchase at 18%. Under purchase account, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST detail. Yes. Select purchase taxable in the list of nature of transaction. So type slab rate 18%. Accept. Type of supply goods. So next one, sales account. sales account. Under sales account, not applicable. Is GST applicable? Not applicable. Accept. Sales at 18%. Under sales account, is GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST details. Set to yes. So description, nothing. So select sales taxable. Sales taxable in the list of nature of transaction. Type 18% GST slab rate. Type of supply goods. Accept. So next create CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select central tax, accept. Next is GST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select state tax, accept. So next ledger, Hindustan Petroleum Limited. Hindustan Petroleum Limited. Under sundry creditor. So they are supplier. So accept. So next ledger, Paytm. Under bank accounts. Accept. Google Pay. Under bank accounts, PhonePe. Under bank account, Control A to accept. Credit card, debit card. Credit card. Under bank accounts, debit card. Under bank account, press Control A to accept. Next, stock items, petrol, diesel and lubricant oils. So create one more ledger, that is company's current account. For example, Canara Bank. Canara Bank. Under bank account, type account number. Type IFSC code. Accept. So next, stock item. So go to inventory master, select unit. So liter, LTR, liter, type liter. So kiloliter, select kiloliter, accept. So next, move to stock items, petrol. Under primary unit, select liter, set alter GST details, yes. So here type petrol. So HSN code 2710. Is non-GST goods. Yes, set to yes, because it is these two non-GST goods. Diesel. Under primary, select liter, GST details, set to yes. Diesel 2710 is non-GST goods, yes. Goods. So next, lubricant oils. Under primary, select liter, Set alter GST details. Lubricant oil. (2710) HSN code is non-GST goods. Yes, set to yes. This is not GST, non-GST goods. Set to no. Select on value, select taxable. This is GST goods. That's why here set to no. Don't get confusion. 18% goods. Accept. So next, create locations. So create new location. So tank 1 under primary, tank 2 under primary, tank 3. Tank 3 and create office Godan and create office Godan. Okay, so now all the stock items locations are created. So go to ledgers. So create expenses ledger, courier charges, under indirect expenses, Control A, courier charges, rent, Control A, salary, Control A, electricity charges, Control A, puja expenses, Control A, housekeeping, material charges, Control A, housekeeping, service charges, Control A, and security service charges, Control A. Okay friends, so these are the necessary ledgers for petrol pump accounts. Okay, so now move to alter, select voucher type, select purchase. To type manual invoicing number, so you have to alter in voucher type this purchase voucher. Method of voucher numbering here set to manual. Accept it. So next, select sales. So here method of voucher numbering, you have to select automatic manual override. Suppose you type one invoice number as a manual and then it will continue in that number. Accept. So now go to accounting voucher. So go to transactions. The following materials purchased from Hindustan Petroleum Limited, invoice number 6497, petrol stored in tank 1 and diesel in tank 2. Vouchers, press F9. type invoice number 6497 6497. So party Hindustan Petroleum Limited. Accept all these things. Select non-GST purchase. Select petrol. So tank 1 petrol. Location tank 1. Select tank 1. So quantity 1000 liter. So rate 85.21 paise. So next diesel. So diesel tank 2. Tank 2 1000 liter. So rate 78.60 paise. So wow, accept. Okay. So second one, the following material purchased from Hindustan Petroleum Limited, GST at 18%, invoice number 2846, and stored in office Godan. Office Godan. So invoice number 2846, 2846. So here Hindustan Petroleum Limited, party account name. So here select purchase at 18%, lubricant oils, office Godan, stored in office Godan, 500 liter, 150 per liter. Select CGST. Select SGST. Accept. Okay. So next one, purchase of petrol. So once again, petrol purchase. So invoice number 4328. 4328. Hindustan Petroleum Limited. Select non-GST purchase account, petrol. So tank 2. But do one thing, go for tank 3. So tank 3. 1000 liter. Accept. So check it. Stock summary. Go to stock summary. So diesel 1000 liter, lubricant oil 500 liter. So petrol 2000 liter. Okay. So check it in Godan option. So go to inventory books. Select location, office Godan, so 500 liter lubricant oil. So tank 1 petrol 1000, tank 2 diesel 1000 liter, in tank 3 petrol 1000. Okay, this is the stock position in the tank 1, tank 2, tank 3. Okay, so purchase entry is over. Now move to sales voucher. Press F8. So give one invoice number, starting invoice number 2151. For example, this is cash sales. Select non-GST sales account. Select petrol. Select tank 1 500 liters. So rate is so here 100 liter is there. So 100 liter. So rate is 89.21. Diesel so tank 2 100 liter. So rate 81.10 paise. Accept. See friends, automatically it moved to 2152. So this is called automatic manual override. So next one, Paytm sales. So party account name Paytm. Sales account. So petrol. So tank 1, for example 100 liter. Diesel tank 2 100 liter. Accept. So next, credit card. This is credit card entry. So petrol. So tank 1 200 liter. Diesel tank 1 tank 2 200. Accept. So next one, debit card. Sales account. Petrol tank 1 300 liter. Diesel tank 1 tank 2 200 liter. Accept. So next one, Google Pay. Sales account. Petrol. So tank 1 300 liter. Diesel (300 liter). Accept. So next one, PhonePe. Sales account. Petrol. Tank 3. Tank 1 Kali. So tank 1 is Wawa. 350. Diesel tank 2, 100 litre, diesel also VAVA. Okay, now move to cash. So now sold to lubricant oils. Select GST sales, sales at 18%. So lubricant oils, office Gordon, 200 litre, so 200 rupees. CGST, SGST. So again select credit card, sales at 18%, lubricant oils, office Gordon, 200 litre, CGST, SGST, accept. So next one, Google Pay. Sales at 18%, lubricant oils, office Gordon, 100 litre, CGST, SGST, accept. So next one, Paytm. Normal sales, petrol tank 3, 300 litre, so next one, PhonePe, normal sales, select normal sales, petrol, tank 3, 350 liters, okay friends, so everything is over. So check the report, display more reports, come to GST reports, GST or 3B. So in this, so total tax is 13,500. Go to profit and loss account, check the profit and loss account, press Alt F1 for detailed view, Alt F1. So net profit is 35,500 rupees. Okay. So now you do one thing. Go to accounting voucher. You transfer all the credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe. So this amount transferred to bank account. So when you are taking these cards, so directly your money will go to the bank account. But in the books of company, it is showing in individual ledger. But you transfer to bank account, then it is very easy to verify in the bank statement. Okay. So go to contra voucher. Select one by one. So cash. So how much cash? 64,231. So debit to Canara Bank. So this is denomination. If you want, you can type. Okay. So next you select credit card. How much credit card? 81,262. Canara Bank. Okay, credit card is over. So next move to debit card. Debit card 42,983. 983. Canara Bank. So next move to Google Pay 74,693. Canara Bank. After Google Pay, Paytm. Paytm 43,794. Canara Bank. So after Paytm, PhonePe. PhonePe 70,557. Canara Bank. So now it is very easy to, when you are going to making bank reconciliation statement. So now it's gone to bank account. So it is very easy to check. So now come to the payment voucher. So select electricity charges 2000. Canara Bank. Courier charges 1000. Canara Bank. Housekeeping material charges 500. Canara Bank. These are all check payment. Housekeeping service charges 3,500. Canara Bank. So puja expenses. This is cash payment. So we don't have any cash balance. Go to Contra voucher. Select Canara Bank. 1000 rupees. So select cash. Debit to cash. So now move to payment voucher. Select puja expenses. 750. Cash. So rent 5,000. Canara Bank. Salary 8,000. Canara Bank. Security service charges 5,000. Canara Bank. Okay, so all the expenses over. Okay friends, you got it. How to create petrol pump accounts in Tally Prime. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel without fail.